Kalafatu, we're in GI. We're coming to support the Mumui tour. So we're inside. Come, we'll go inside. This is Aloha. Hey, hey. Hello. Hey. Wow. Hey, Joey, what's up, Brad? Hey, boss. As you can see, it's back there. Yeah, lots of people.
Kita kilingan orang lain yang mau palateu kaya cukup temne kita utama mata kau iki tu mai halo tu la tu pakafia tu hok ke mo kai ka pa ko tu ni hon mo ni na right on time tu ka tu le ani ai ko tu o ni tu la ma le ni yo tu la ni we ka pa ko tu ni hon fu mo ko kai da tu lo ya ma mo mai me tu mo tu pa la ngai te ma ngam ni ke ko ni tu itu mo tu ka tu ko dia hak dolar minggu ke view tu, oh ni macam mana tu? Kalau orang semua bukan dekat, kalau lah, kai tu kau sebenarnya, kalau tak kau hafifi di semua, ke kalau tu tak kau di buat, si hau ni macam kau hasek mana, ke awak si tolong tu maya fakina, kalau tu hok me mong kim kai tu hak ma tang bo view.
Yeah, just reaching out to all the Niues in New Zealand. We've got a big World Cup tournament coming in Susana in October. So we've got actually 14 to 15 teams. So we need everyone's support in Australia, New Zealand and Niue. So we're looking forward to it. So please jump on our page, Niue Association and Corporation, and support our probably journey towards our World Cup for Boyle.
Okay, Whakawhatu. As you can see, it's packed. Lots of people here. Just caught up with Graham. You know, he's still organising the tag. But yeah, awesome event. Lots of people, hardly any young people. It's mainly the Matuas here. We just waited to catch up with Trish or Samantha, just to come and explain what's happening today. Awesome event. My mum's going to Niue today. So just her kids, I think I'm the first one here. And maybe Sandy's coming, maybe Miss. But yeah, this is great. Okay.
It's good. They'll be able to tell you a bit of story about what they've created. And actually, I'm quite proud of Mumui. I've been with them from day one, and they've literally come a long way. So well done to the group. What you have displayed on today, it's awesome. From where you come from the beginning to where you are now, it's mind-blowing. And many more show days to come, but I am very, very proud of you all. So please, just a break from all the performances, to please view the tables, and we're from there. So we'll hear from you soon again. Thank you.
Sorry, are we allowed to record? Yeah? So we're allowed to record or intellectual property? You sure?
They've given me the okay.
Okay. Oh, whakarapaatu.
Whakamuhai.
Kouni. Oh. Auntie, whakarapaatu. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Oh man. Awesome event. Gee, are we allowed to record? Are we allowed to record? Yeah. Oh.
My name is Mapa.
Mapa? Oh, this is... Bye, Kuku. awesome event. Whakaolahi. Whakaalo whātu. Hello. We missed you in Niue.
Oh, I know, but you came. Yeah, I said, oh, next time we'll come. Many of them went. I'm not going to be on.
Whakaalo whātu. Malo whakaoe.
How are you?
Good to see you. This is Agnes. What are you selling, Agnes? Oh. Okay. Thank you. Whakaalo whātu. Good to see Uncle. Yeah. Yeah. Opale aho. Hello. Hello, whakaoe. Yeah. Monui ni aho. Wow, that was an awesome event. Had to be quiet at the start, but it was better where we got to have a look around. Perfect timing. Whakaolahi, Susana, Trish, Samantha, the team, Mumui here tour, awesome. Good to come and see everyone. Awesome event. To the 13 groups that came to support, good to see you guys out there as well. Unfortunately, my mum was going to Niue today, so she couldn't come. Did you want to buy something in there?
Yeah, but can you buy me something that's $5?
We're gonna go have a look. Okay, we're gonna go support. My daughter wants to buy something. We're gonna go have a look. Okay, do fill the video.
It's this bag.
Mari Niue. Tahe tapu. Tahe tapu. Yeah, yeah. Which bag? Oh, okay. Yeah, just get it and I'll pay you later. Okay, so what are you buying, Andy? Okay, no, there might be a different price. Just check the prices. So we're out here, we're gonna buy a bag.
Busy, busy. Busy. We got famous. We're just trying to buy a bag for my daughter. She really likes the bag.
I got this new bag, so whenever I'm wearing my new